a mother is lost forever. Mother plays an important role, and cervical cancers are more in the later part of life.
मैं आदरणीय सांसद सुधा मूर्ति जी का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। महिलाओं के आरोग्य के विषय पर बल दिया था कि मां अगर चली गई तो उसका कोई उपाय नहीं।
Yatra narya ramante tatra devataha. That's what our ancestors say. Where women are respected, that is a place where gods reside. And I want to tell you, the most important thing for women in general, is her health, because she always neglects her health and takes care of the family. And because of that, many women suffer in real life with cervical cancers, and they will come to the hospital only in the 4th stage or 3rd stage. I'm being a daughter and a sister of a doctor. I'm aware of this, and I've worked in my last 30 years with Infosys Foundation on this particular area, and that I want to give a suggestion. There is a vaccination which is given to girls between the age of 9 to 14, known as the cervical vaccination, which can, if the girls take that, it can be avoided. May I request that to the House, that we should incorporate that vaccination for the benefit of our girls, because prevention is better than cure. My father, being a doctor, always used to tell me, when a woman dies, when a mother dies, in the hospital it's a count +1. But for the family, a mother is lost forever. Maybe a man can get another wife, but children will never get another mother. Mother plays an important role, and cervical cancers are more in the later part of life.
मैं आदरणीय सांसद सुधा मूर्ति जी का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि कल उन्होंने चर्चा में महिलाओं के आरोग्य के विषय पर बल दिया था और उसका महात्म्य क्या है, उसकी आवश्यकता क्या है, उस पर बड़े विस्तार से उन्होंने कहा था। और उन्होंने एक बात ये भी बड़ी इमोशनल बताई थी कि माँ अगर चली गई तो उसका कोई उपाय नहीं होता, फिर नहीं मिल सकती। ये भी बड़ी भावात्मकता से उन्होंने बताया था। विमेन हेल्थ, सैनिटेशन, वेलनेस पर हमने 10 वर्षों में एक प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर के लिए आपने काम किया है। आदरणीय सभापति जी, टॉयलेट हो, सैनिटरी पैड्स हो, गैस कनेक्शन हो, प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान वैक्सीनेशन की व्यवस्था हो, और इसका फायदा हमारे देश की माताओं बहनों को मिला है।